Now we have only 2 more installations until we finish the small deployment. We're going to install the CLM Self-Check Monitor. This application is new to version 4.5 of BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management. Before you begin, installing the Oracle 64-bit JRE 1.7 is optional. I do not install it. Instead, I use the bundled JRE that's embedded in the product instead. If you're using third-party certificates from a company like Symantec, I think installing the external JRE is confusing. Let's move to the installation itself. Here we see that the Self-Check Monitor is loaded into the currently installing tree and is ready to install. Close the report card, review the welcome panel, and then click Next. This is the second to last time I'm going to remind you of this. Take a VM snapshot of the Self-Check Monitor target host and then click Next. On the NSH panel, review the installation directory. The main thing to note here is that the network shell is a requirement with the Self-Check Monitor. Click Next to continue. Review the installation directory for the Self-Check Monitor. Just like we did with the Platform Manager, select the bundled JRE. Using the bundled JRE makes SSL configuration a lot easier, in my opinion. But of course, you can enter the JRE path if you installed an external JRE. Review the Self-Check Monitor configuration settings. By default, you're installing the Self-Check Monitor with a secure protocol of HTTPS on port 8443. You theoretically could install Self-Check Monitor with the HTTP protocol on 8090. It's just much easier to go with the default setting, so we're going to choose the HTTPS protocol for security reasons. The default option is to create a self-signed certificate. But if you created a third-party certificate, select Yes, and then enter the location to the private key and then specify the password. If you do select Yes, you must already have created the key store and installed the third-party certificate on the target host. We're going to use the existing certificate. In the Tomcat Web Server Certification panel, update the information to create a self-signed certificate for your organization. Under Common Name, enter the fully qualified domain name for your host. Enter your organizational unit. Enter your company name, for example, BMC Software. Enter your locality. Enter the full name of your state. Don't enter an abbreviation. Enter the country and review the password. The default password is Change It. Now we're actually going to kick off the Self-Check Monitor installation. In the preview, review all the products and the versions listed in the installation preview, and then click Install. The Self-Check Monitor installation is really fast. It only takes about 3 to 5 minutes to complete the installation. And now we're done. We've successfully installed the Self-Check Monitor. In the installation summary panel, review the installation log, and then click Done to finish the installation. We're now going to finish the small deployment by installing the new end user portal, or what it's officially called, the BMC Cloud Portal web application.